In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Gmail. We'll keep it simple by using BCC, the easiest and safest way to reach many people at once while protecting everyone's privacy. I'll also point out a few best practices along the way so your message looks professional and avoids common pitfalls. Remember, this approach is meant for small batches because Gmail has sending limits. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, click the Compose button to open a new message window. If the window appears small in the corner, you can expand it so you have a clear view of all the fields you'll use. Now let's add your recipients. Instead of typing addresses into the To field, click the BCC option. This is important. BCC keeps all recipient addresses hidden from each other, which maintains privacy and prevents long, messy reply all threads. Paste or type multiple email addresses into the BCC field, separated by commas or spaces. Take a moment to scan for typos or accidental extra characters. Small mistakes can cause bounces. If you're working with a long list, keep it to small batches to stay within Gmail's limits and reduce the chance of your message being flagged. Next, write your email. Start with a clear, specific subject line that tells people exactly what to expect. In the body, make your purpose obvious in the first sentence, then add only the details that truly help your readers understand or act. Keep paragraphs short and easy to scan. If there's a call to action, state it plainly and include a deadline if it matters. Avoid spammy cues like all caps, too many exclamation marks, or a crowd of links. Keep your tone friendly and professional. If you need to include a file, try to keep attachments small. Large files can fail to deliver, so linking to a cloud file can be more reliable. And if you use an email signature, make sure it's up to date and tidy. When everything looks right, give it a final review. Confirm that your recipients are in the BCC field, your subject is accurate, and your message reads clearly. Then click Send. Your email will go out to everyone, and each person will see only their own address, not the full list. To wrap up, always use BCC to protect recipient privacy and send in small batches because Gmail imposes sending limits. That's all you need to send bulk emails in Gmail quickly, clearly, and respectfully.